I'm doing an update video on the kittens. This is my girl. She don't want nothing to do with these guys. Last time y'all seen them, they was 2 weeks. Now they 4 weeks old. Big transition. Acting like they don't know what to do. Oh, blue eyes. Cat crazy, man. I don't know what the other orange one is. Both of the orange ones must be on their here. It's either one. What's up? What's up, pretty? What's up? Come here, mama. Mama, she ain't too far behind. That's a good mama. That's her twin. 2 black ones, 2 yellow ones, and then the one like the mom. So scary. Ruffles on her what now? She a runt. And she always trying to fight. The mom, she don't let him go too far without her. Watch out. You ain't trying to bite somebody, dog.